All right, so Pfizer stock, we're at $40.34 with a market cap of $224 billion. So we are up. This is awesome. I'm in profit zone. I hope you are too. And we got some news. So Pfizer shares, they tanked a little bit. They came back, but now if I had to guess, it's probably going to tank again when everyone kind of finds out this. Obviously, it's only been 2 days since they released this, and essentially, Pfizer shares fall on report company cuts its COVID vaccine rollout target. So, Pfizer shares fell Thursday after a report said the U.S. drug maker ex- expects to ship half of the COVID-19 vaccines it originally planned for this year due to supply chain problems. The company has repeatedly said that it planned to ship 50 million vaccine doses this year and up to 1.3 billion doses by the end of 2021. So it's kind of Pfizer has always been buy the rumor, sell the news recently due to the vaccine, and essentially this kind of hurts them big because if they're only able to send half, that means their competitors can come in and essentially steal market share of what they were going to sell. I mean, if you're a country, are you going to say, "No, let's wait till midsummer before we get all of our vaccines that you offered?" Or are you going to say, "Hey, you know, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and whoever else develops it and comes out with it soon enough, uh, they've got it ready to go." No, we're gonna take that. People are dying, so this hurts Pfizer. It hasn't hurt them big yet. Like I said in the article, it fell, but now it came back. But we're only 2 days from that article, so once this kind of hits everyone and they find out like, oh, that's not good, I wouldn't be surprised if Pfizer fell. But who knows? It could. Let's say Moderna hits a problem, a snag, then Pfizer could jump. Who knows? But I just want you to be aware of this and, just understand that Pfizer isn't really a growth stock because of this vaccine. There's a lot of players at hand and there's a lot of outstanding shares, so it's hard to move the stock price. And stuff like this will hit the stock price. So do your own research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.